Hey there, it's Jeronica. Want to know how you can start making money with AI right now, even with zero tech skills? AI is changing the game, and today I'll show you 5 easy ways to make money using AI in 2025, whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income. And the best part? You can start for free. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll show you exactly how to get started today. One of the easiest ways to make money with AI is selling AI voiceovers. With tools like 11 Labs, you can generate professional, human-like voiceovers for YouTube videos, podcasts, audiobooks, and businesses. The best part? You don't even need to record your own voice. Here's how to get started. First, go to 11 Labs AI. I've dropped a special link in the description so you can try it. Next, generate a sample AI voice. Then, sell your voiceover services on Fiverr and Upwork, where businesses are paying $50 to $500 per project. Want to test it out for yourself? Click the link below. Another powerful way to make money is by creating AI-generated videos and selling them. Using tools like InVideo AI, HeyGen, and Pictory AI, you can create faceless YouTube videos, social media content, and even ads for businesses. Getting started is simple. First, use InVideo AI to generate an AI-powered video. No need to film anything yourself. Then, offer AI video services on Fiverr, Upwork, or YouTube. Brands and influencers pay big money for high-quality AI videos. Some freelancers charge $100 or more per video. Want to try InVideo AI for free? Click the special link below. AI isn't just for voiceovers and videos. It can also help you create and sell digital products that make money on autopilot. With AI, you can generate AI-designed ebooks and guides, AI-created art and designs, AI-powered social media templates, even AI-generated planners and journals. Here's how to start. Use ChatGPT to generate an ebook or planner. Then, design it in Canva or with AI tools like Midjourney. Finally, upload it to Etsy, Gumroad, or Amazon KDP and earn passive income while you sleep. Want me to make a full tutorial on how to sell AI digital products? Drop a comment below. One of the most profitable ways to make money with AI is through affiliate marketing. By promoting AI tools like 11 Labs, HeyGen, and InVideo AI, you can earn commissions every time someone signs up. All you have to do is join an AI affiliate program, create content promoting the tool, and drop your special link. Each time someone signs up, you get paid. Some AI programs pay up to $500 per sale. If you want to see which AI tools have the best affiliate payouts, check the links in the description below. Now for the most powerful way to make money with AI in 2025, building an AI-powered business. AI can automate customer service, content creation, and even sales. Here are a few AI business ideas you can start today. AI-powered fitness coaching. Sell AI-generated workout and meal plans. AI-powered chatbots for businesses. Set up automated AI assistants for companies. AI-powered content agency. Offer AI-generated blogs, videos, and scripts. The best part? You don't have to be a tech expert. AI does the hard work for you. So there you have it. 5 powerful ways to make money with AI in 2025. Which AI side hustle are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below. And if you want to start making money with AI today, check the special links in the description for the best AI tools. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI business tips. Your support is appreciated.